This is exercise 31-3A, projections and 3D polylines. I'm in the cabin drawing file in the Steps Lesson 31 folder. What I have are 4 arcs. The arcs are actually two-dimensional objects, but they are drawn into Z space, as you can see here. We'll use the divide command to divide a couple of these arcs into 16 equal units. Okay, we'll repeat that, do the same thing here. I could do the ones in the back, but it's just as easy to work this way. Now I'm going to change the layer to my roof layer. I'll start by drawing a simple line, and I will go from the end point here to the end point here. Now the book instructs you to keep drawing lines, and it actually makes more sense and it's a lot easier if you just copy the lines. Set my running snap to node, enter my copy command, select the line. I'll go from the endpoint to the various nodes. This is going to be the roof of our cabin when we finished. Okay, that's the roof going in one direction. Okay, we also want a line for the roof going in this direction. Okay, we're just repeating the same procedure we did a minute ago. Telling my hands to be stable, trying to catch each one of my nodes. It may seem tedious, but believe me, it's a lot easier than the alternatives. Okay, now comes the work. We can freeze the marker 2 layer. We don't need all those X's anymore. And we're going to trim the extra portions. To do that, let's go to the plan view. Let's look at this thing from the top. I can type in plan, or I can just pick top. Okay, I'm going to zoom in as closely as I can because this trimming is a chore. Okay, I'll enter the trim command. I'll say this line and this line are my trimming edges, and I'm going to get rid of this part and this part. Repeat the command, select these, trim, trim, repeat. And once I've completed the trimming, I will simply do a zoom previous until I have my angle back. Like so. And we can erase the 2 arcs in the back. Okay, you see where we are now. Now, we're going to draw a 3D polyline connecting each one of these. It's going to be easier to do it, again, in the top view. And I will draw a 3D polyline. I can enter 3D poly at the command line, like so. With my running snap set to endpoint, all I have to do now is select the various endpoints. Like so. Complete the command, do a zoom previous, and your 3-dimensional roof is complete.